Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to look at vaginal dryness, particularly the causes of vaginal dryness during sex. This is a very common condition, and vaginal dryness can cause painful sex. So painful sex can lead to loss of interest in sex or even loss of intimacy with your partner. However, this is a very common condition prevalent in men, females of all ages, and it can be managed. Now let's analyze it in this video to know its causes and when specifically to expect it. So vaginal dryness presents itself in symptoms of pain during sexual intercourse when sitting, exercising, or peeing. And the fact behind such pain is that vaginal lining is lubricated with a fluid that helps keep it thick and elastic. So vaginal dryness occurs when these tissues are dry, thin, and not well moisturized, and this can lead to discomfort, particularly during sex. So here is the comparison between the vaginal structure. That is normal vagina and vaginal atrophy. In vaginal atrophy, we have these features: thin vaginal walls, pale and dry, smooth vaginal lining, and shorter canal compared to the normal structure of vagina. There is also an aspect of decreased blood flow in vaginal atrophy, which is contrary to normal vaginal structure. It is important to know that these fluids or secretions are produced to moisturize vaginal lining are very important because they protect the vagina against infections such as bacteria or yeast. They also provide alkaline medium suitable for sperm survival and provide lubrication for easier vaginal penetration during sex. The production of these secretions is regulated by a hormone called estrogen, and this means the processes that keep vaginal tissue healthy and lubricated are related to the production of this hormone. So what are the possible causes of vaginal dryness during sex? The answer is simple. Any events interfering with estrogen levels causing its decrease can cause vaginal dryness. So any events that interferes with estrogen levels within the body such that it causes decrease in these levels can cause vaginal dryness. Therefore, you can experience vaginal dryness during sex when number 1, you're breastfeeding or immediately after childbirth, because after delivering a baby, you deliver the placenta. In the first 48 hours after birth, the body rapidly clears away placental hormones within, including estrogen and progesterone hormones. Meanwhile, there is production of prolactin and oxytocin, which are secreted to support male production. The higher levels of these two hormones, prolactin and oxytocin, decreases the level of sex hormones, that is estrogen and testosterone, which causes vaginal dryness during sex. Number 2 is birth control pills or any form of hormonal birth control. Oral contraception pills and hormonal contraceptives alter estrogen levels and reduce blood flow in the genitals. This has implication into the libido of a woman and also vaginal lubrication. Generally, they reduce libido and vaginal lubrication during sex. Number 3 is menopause and premenopausal condition. And menopause is associated with ceasing of ovarian function. So ceasing of ovarian function leads to decreased estrogen production, and reduced estrogen decreases vaginal lubrication, elasticity, and thickness. This implication leads to vaginal dryness during sex, and it can cause inflammation of vaginal walls. Number 4 is removal of ovaries. Removal of ovaries by surgery. We know that woman ovaries make the most estrogen hormone in females, and only a small amount is made by adrenal glands and fat cells. So once you remove the ovaries, you directly affect the level of estrogen in the body, which has implication in the lubrication of vaginal walls. Number 5 is when you excessively smoke cigarettes. Smoking has a drying effect on the body because inhaled nicotine blocks blood flow to the vagina as well as other areas of the body. This decreases vaginal lubrication. Number 6 are medication. There are certain medications such as anti-estrogen medication that are used for treating fibroids and endometriosis, and other treatments like cancer treatments, including chemotherapy and hormone therapy. Such medication and treatments interfere with sex hormones, which affects the production of secretions that lubricates vaginal walls. Number 7 is not being sexually aroused. Arousing a lady before sex causes adequate blood flow into the vagina and vulva, stimulating production of secretions. So this way, inadequate foreplay may not sufficiently arouse your woman to a level of enjoying sex, and this way, for these reasons, she may experience pain associated with vaginal dryness. So how to overcome? Depending on the cause of the vaginal dryness, there are various remedies. Watch our video on how to overcome vaginal dryness during sex in this channel to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe for more videos on sexual and reproductive health. See you in the next video. Thanks.